Hey there, adventurers! I'm your robot guide, and I am so excited you're here. Today, we are going on a special mission to figure out a really big secret. How do we actually talk to our computers? So, first, let me ask you something. Have you ever typed a message to one of your friends? On a computer or maybe a tablet? I bet you have. Okay, how about this one? Have you ever used a mouse or maybe just your finger to click on a little icon to start up your favorite game? Yeah, me too. And one more. Have you ever just talked to a phone or a smart speaker and asked it a question like, hey, what's the weather today? It feels like we're talking to our gadgets all the time. But how does that even work? That is the big mystery we are going to solve today. This is our mission. We're going to find out exactly how we tell our computers what we want them to do. Are you ready for the secret? Get ready. The magic answer is input devices. Yep, that's the key to everything. So what in the world is an input device? Well, it's pretty simple. It's just a piece of hardware, the physical parts you can actually touch that sends your instructions to a computer. It's how you give it commands. Now that you know the secret password, input devices, it's time to meet the team. Let's say hello to your amazing device crew. They're the ones who help you talk to computers. First up, let's meet the keyboard. This is the tool you use to type all your letters, numbers, and symbols. It's what you'd use to write a story or send a message to your family. Okay, let's try it out. Right where you're sitting, just pretend your desk is a keyboard. Go ahead and wiggle your fingers and type out your name. Tap, 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 tap. Awesome. Next on the team, say hello to the mouse. This little guy helps you move that pointer around on the screen so you can point at things, click on them, and choose what you want to open. All right, your turn. Just point your finger at something in front of you, and now pretend to click it. Ready? Click, click. See? You just used your finger just like a mouse. And who's this? It's the microphone. You can think of this as the computer's ears. It picks up your voice and other sounds, so you can ask a question or maybe even record a song. This will be fun. Let's try it. Cup your hands around your mouth just like you're on a stage and say nice and loud, "Hello, computer." Fantastic. Ooh, now this one is super cool. The scanner. A scanner is kind of like a magic copy machine that takes a real-life picture or a drawing you made on paper and zaps it into the computer as a digital file. Let's pretend to be a scanner. Find a book or a piece of paper and just pass your hand slowly over the top of it. Whoosh, you just scanned it. And last but not least in our main crew, we have the webcam. This is like the computer's eye. It's a little camera that lets you do video calls with people far away or make super fun videos. Okay, time for your close-up. I want you to look right ahead, pretend there's a webcam there, and give me your biggest, silliest smile. Go. Cheese! You've met the whole crew. That was great. Now I think it's time for a little challenge to see what you've learned. You ready? Okay, picture this. You have to write a report for school. Which one of our new device friends would you need to use? Think about it, and point to it in your mind. Did you get it? It's the keyboard. Of course. You need it to type out all those amazing words and ideas. You are doing an awesome job. Okay, quick matching game. Let's see. Number 1 is the mouse. Does it do A, B, or C? That's right, it's C. It points and clicks. Okay, what about the keyboard? Yep, that's A. It types letters and numbers, which means the microphone has to be B. It records your voice. You got them all right. Wow, look at you. Our mission is officially accomplished. You did it. Let's do a super quick look back at everything we learned today. The number one thing to remember is this. Input devices are the tools we use to talk to a computer. Without them, we couldn't tell it what to do. And our awesome crew was the keyboard, the mouse, the microphone, the scanner, and the webcam. You have been amazing today, and now you are officially in on the big secret of how to talk to computers. So my last question for you is, what will you command your computer to do next? The adventure is all yours. See you next time.